Hey guys, how's it going? How to build a simple portfolio on Bluehost. So first of all, you need to log in with your Bluehost account by buying one of the plans to bring your website to life. Web hosting is the easiest, most economical way to get your website connected to the internet so you can start building it. You can choose the plan and see the features, right? Free SSL, free CDN, web application firewall, DDoS protection, 24/7 chat support, and more features if you want to get to know them. And you can go to the Choice Plus and the online store, or you can choose the Pro plan, and then you can start your journey with Bluehost. Okay, now after you selected your plan and after you built your basically your website, choose the domain, and after you've chosen the domain, of course, you're gonna install the WordPress, right? And after you created your site and everything, you can go ahead, after you've chosen a domain and everything, you're gonna create a site. And basically, if you want to create a site with Bluehost, right, you can go ahead and create your own custom site. Choose the AI website from Bluehost, connect to any official website, right? Connect to your AI, right? And connect to your social media basically. And after you select the social media account that you want to connect your website to, and this helps the tool gather more information about your website and enhance its accuracy. But if you don't have an official Facebook page for your website yet, feel free to just skip that step, right? And upload your website logo and everything, and choose the AI generated website version, and then customize your website, and you're gonna see the official website just like this, right? Let's have an example. This is a sample of your new website, right? You're gonna follow the prompts, of course, so you won't be lost in those steps. They will walk you through step by step on how to create your website. Now you can see right here, this is your initial domain, right? And if you want to click edit site, you're gonna be able to click edit site by using the WordPress. Now you are inside the WordPress, and you can choose the theme, right? And basically go to the appearance if you have that option right here, and above the plugins, right? And then basically you're gonna be able to choose the theme and then add a new one and search for portfolio themes right here. You can go ahead to appearance and themes or editor and just create your new theme, and basically you're gonna be able to customize that design for your website, right? And basically add any necessary pages like home, portfolio, contact, whatever it might be. You're gonna be able to add it in the themes section. Or if you want to go to the editor, if you want to add text or edit text, you can do that. We walked you through that in the previous video. And basically once you edited the text, the paragraph, the heading, the quote, the table, the lighting, and the filters, publish your site once you're satisfied. And basically now you created a new website. And basically if you want to create add the portfolio items, right, create a new page from this section, right? You're gonna be able to find an option to create a new page for your portfolio, right? And basically use the blog editor or a portfolio plugin to add to your work, like images, description, whatever it might be. This is an example of how to basically create a portfolio, right? Or you can go back, right, to the WordPress and then go to the plugin, right? And you're gonna be able to find a portfolio plugin under the appearance, and just you can add your work like images, description, etc. And once you're satisfied, click publish to this right here. Eventually you're gonna click publish. Let me show you, right? Or click save, right? And if you want to publish it, you're gonna be able to publish it eventually. And basically now you published your website, and your portfolio with it, and share the domain link on social media and with your potential clients. That's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.